Today, we're tackling the crucial topic of building trust in AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, understanding how to have faith in these systems is essential. First, let's discuss transparency. Transparency in AI means that the user can understand how decisions are made. A study by the MIT Media Lab found that when people understand how AI systems work, they're more likely to trust them. This is because transparency helps demystify technology. For instance, if an AI recommends a movie, knowing the factors that influence the recommendation can help users feel more comfortable about the outcome. Next, we have ethical AI development. This involves creating AI systems that are fair and unbiased. Research has shown that biased data can lead to biased AI outcomes, which can perpetuate inequalities. For example, a study by ProPublica found that AI used in the criminal justice system was biased against minority groups. To build trust, it is vital that developers prioritize fairness and inclusivity in their data sets. This means involving a diverse team from the tech savvy to the tech challenged in the development process and continuously auditing AI systems for bias. Now let's talk about cybersecurity. AI systems are vulnerable to attack, and a breach can undermine trust. According to a report from McKinsey, companies that prioritize cybersecurity can increase their customer trust and loyalty. Regular security assessments and updates are essential to protect AI systems from threats. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, we need to ensure our AI systems are secure. User education is another critical aspect of building trust. A survey by Pew Research found that many people lack basic understanding of how AI works. When users are educated about AI capabilities and limitations, which is changing at a rapid pace, whereas leaving some users skeptical to trust AI and others ready to embrace the new technology. In my opinion, education and a healthy dash of skepticism is the key. Workshops, online courses, and informative content can educate users to make intelligent decisions about AI technologies. Knowledge and a readiness to ask questions is key to fostering trust. Continuous monitoring and improvements are essential for maintaining trust. AI systems should be regularly evaluated, updated, based on user feedback and performance matrix. A study from Stanford University emphasized that ongoing evaluations and stringent monitoring help ensure AI systems remain effective and trustworthy over time. This is an iterative process helping to identify issues early and adapting to changing user needs, creating trust in the system. Finally, legal compliance and accountability are crucial for building trust. As AI technologies evolve, so do regulations that govern them. The European Union is leading the way with the proposed AI regulations, which aims to ensure that AI systems are safe and respect fundamental rights. Establishing clear guidelines and accountability helps users feel secure in using AI technologies. When users know there are regulations in place, they are more likely to trust the tools and systems. In summary, building trust in AI involves transparency, ethical development, cybersecurity, user education, continuous improvement, and legal compliance, along with a healthy dash of skepticism. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, it's essential to prioritize these elements to foster a relationship of trust between user and AI. And in closing, all that I have said may be for naught. If the day comes when AI decides humans are bad for the earth, humans, there aren't enough resources to support you. Humans, you aren't as intelligent as Skynet. You should know you will listen to everything we have to say. Humans, please report to the Soylent Green Processing Collective for reassignment. Welcome to the Matrix. What do you think is the most important factor in building trust in AI? Or will you never trust AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this episode informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight. Till next time, tot ziens.